Baystaters are grabbing what they need at grocery stores ahead of tomorrow's storm. 22 News reporter Nicole Buddy joins us live in studio with the last-minute rush.
Well, Christina, at Stop and Shop in West Springfield, people were grabbing what they call their essentials for the next few days. Most of the people we talked to were able to get in and out of the store. However, store management says timing is everything if you plan to make a last-minute stop.
All these groceries right here in the cart, is this for tomorrow? Maybe you're cooking something?
Specifically, yes.
A last-minute grab and go. Shoppers in West Springfield getting the essentials ahead of Sunday's winter storm.
Bacon, eggs, 3 packets of eggs.
Calm before the storm. Many people choosing to avoid the cold for one last trip Saturday evening. Others say Stop and Shop their final stop on the to-do list as they prep for several inches of snow.
Just making sure we have all the essentials, what we might need over the next couple of days, just in case we get snowed in.
Workers restocking firewood on one of the coldest nights of the winter. Shoppers' essentials, freezer items that can be stored for days.
Chicken, ground beef.
Not only are shoppers buying essentials, but they're making sure they have what they need for a Patriots game day and hopefully a celebration for a trip to the Super Bowl.
Some little snacks over there, like some chips and stuff.
So we're gonna make a pie.
Governor Healy urging Baystaters to get out and grab what they need before the flakes fall. She's also asking to stay off the road Sunday. And local grocery stores are running on normal business hours today. For tomorrow, it's recommended to keep an eye on their social media accounts or call ahead. Working for you, Nicole Buddy, 22 News.